In today's video, we're going to be installing wireless CarPlay on a Mk7 Golf. Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a little while since I released my last video, but the next one is now here. And there was a couple reasons for that. One, I got sick. I've also been putting a lot of work in trying to build some more vehicles for my son. If you remember, I built a custom ride-on car for him a while back, and now I'm doing a bunch of other work on some future ones as well, which hopefully I'll be featuring here. A bunch of parts behind me here that I'm learning some electrical, learning how to weld, well, kind of learning how to weld. And really, the big one is I bought another project car. But we're not here to talk about that, and I'm not going to tell you what it is just yet, but that will probably be the next video. Now what we are going to be talking about today is wireless CarPlay. Now wireless CarPlay, if you're not familiar, just gives you the ability to use CarPlay in your Mk7 Golf or car that usually only has wired capabilities for CarPlay, and you'll be able to use it without having to plug in using this little device you can pick up. Before I share the specific device that I've picked up and really been liking over the last few weeks, I will say if you've ever been looking for a way to support this channel without having really to do anything, this would be the way to do it. There's a link down in the description below to this product on Amazon, and it is an affiliate link, so any purchase you make is going to come back and help support this channel. Heck, even if you had another wireless CarPlay unit that you were planning to purchase, and this just reminded you of it or finally pushed you over the edge, use that link below and then go pick up your item, and it's still going to support this channel. Now, let's start by unboxing the wireless CarPlay unit that I purchased. So as you can tell by the packaging here, I picked this device up from Amazon. And really the reason why I picked this one up versus some of maybe the more popular units were, I guess, a couple reasons. One, definitely the cost. This one was about $75 at the time of purchase, and I just checked at the time of creating this video. It's still that same price. Also the size, it was one of the smaller units that I've seen, as you can see, compared to that pocket knife, and later I'll compare it to a standard credit card size item. And then also just the sheer number of reviews and the positive feedback it was given. The device itself has one single USB-C connection, and they provide cables for both USB-C to USB-C and USB-C to USB-A. Alright, now let's walk through what the initial setup looked like. And it does come with pretty detailed instructions on how to do it, but it's pretty straightforward. First, connect the needed cable to the device itself, and then plug it into your vehicle's USB port. Once the device is connected, you'll see the car start to search for a connected Apple iPhone or CarPlay device. The dialog screen that pops up will prompt you to connect your phone's Bluetooth to the Bluetooth connection that's available from the unit. Go through, search for the Bluetooth device. Once it loads, click on it to connect. And what that Bluetooth connection is going to do is actually prompt your device when you get in the vehicle to then connect to a wireless signal that comes from this device, freeing up your Bluetooth for other features on your phone. Now your setup's complete. So now that the device has been connected to my phone and is automatically going to connect when I start my car, let's take a look at how long it actually takes each time you start your car to actually connect to CarPlay. So there you go, we'll call that about 20 seconds, which now in practice and usage, you know, honestly by the time I start my car, get my seatbelt buckled, and I'm ready to back out of the driveway, the car has already connected to my phone and CarPlay is ready for me to use. So I think that's plenty usable personally. Here's a quick look at some interaction with the CarPlay using the wireless setup. I haven't noticed any major latency or changes between wired and not. Everything works just as it should, including all your steering wheel controls, the ability to activate Siri. What's the weather like today?
It's currently cloudy and 28 degrees. Expect snow starting tonight. Temperatures will be fairly consistent, averaging about 30 degrees.
Phone calls have been working excellent, and text-to-speech has also been working really well. So as mentioned, I've been testing out this product for the last month, and it's been really, really nice. On long drives, I think it still makes the most sense to plug in so you keep your battery up. You get a little less latency than you would with the wireless CarPlay unit, but I haven't really experienced any issues with it at all to this point. And, you know, the latency, maybe it's slight, but honestly, CarPlay in the Mk7 Golf isn't the most responsive touchscreen experience I've ever used anyways, so this difference doesn't really seem that great. And for quick drives, when you just hop in, before I'm even backing out of the driveway, it's already connected, and all the buttons on the steering wheel still work with your head unit and control the CarPlay. You can activate Siri, you can change the song, you can turn up the volume. So this product gets 2 big thumbs up from me, and it's really, really small, and I don't even really know that it's there. So I would suggest it. Check it out. Don't forget, link is in the description below. And as always, if you like this content, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do. All of that helps. And finally, thanks for watching.